A messy desk full of cables, whether it's on top of the desk or below, is always a no-no for me. And this thing right here is the perfect cable management little tool, little add-on that you can put onto your desk. Now, I actually just set it up. It took me a minute to actually set up. And there are two different ways to do this, but I'm gonna show you what it actually comes with. If you've ever used these, you know exactly what these are. These are really cool Velcro straps. And look at this, so easy. I mean, there's so many of them here. Look at that. You can actually just tighten all of those cables together, bring them in, you've got that Velcro in, and they all are tidy. So you can actually, I usually do this with like video cables on one end, I've got audio cables on another, maybe USB cables, and have different ties. They're wrapped together, and then I have a bigger one wrapped all together. So it's all tidy and, you know, together, put together. And where you actually install these, well, right there. So obviously this is essentially the back of my desk. I would be standing right here or working out of this here. All I would see is this for now, but I'm gonna get there. So what you'd want to do is actually have all of your cables, look at that, you even have some straps with the Velcro, whether you want to use them or not. These are great if you're going to have power bars on here. You can actually fit your power bar and make sure they're tight and really properly set for you to be able to plug in, plug out whenever you want. And I love the fact that all you need to do is have them on the hook right here, and then you've got the back hook as well. And then look at that, super tidy. You've got a bunch of room in here. Now, if you don't want to have, and I'm gonna take this off right here. If I don't want to see this, for example, this is so easy and so cool because they do give you some extra hardware. You've got extra screws right here because I'm able to take this off. So I could actually take this L off, and now all I'm doing, and I would take this as well, and all I would be doing is using these two holes right here and actually screw this little hook from below or from underneath the desk, which would make it completely seamless. I would see nothing on top of my desk. In my case, I don't mind having this like this. I think it's very subtle. It doesn't really bother me, but if it does bother you, you do have a way to actually set it up properly. I love the fact that this is fabric. It's extremely light, and I mean, you can see how much room you have on here, and it's so simple to set up. Look at this, the actual setup. It actually comes with two of those, almost like those tent-like poles. Boom, boom, boom. You've got two of those on both sides, and you're really good to go. So simple to set up, so simple to kind of like put away as well if you don't want to use it right away. But yeah, this nice hook, very simple. And again, being able to hide all of your cables, all of your power bars, and have something that's neat, that is amazing.